hanging out with Brad Smith. He was here, of course. Velocita is him, and he was here at the show. We're going to talk about that here just a little bit, but first we wanted to talk about one of the products that was new here this year. Micro Armor had a booth set up here. You tell me, Brad, that you're very familiar with this product.
Absolutely. I've worked with Shane White for about 15 years. Shane actually approached me years ago when I was still running dirt late models, and we switched over to his engine additive, his rear end additive, his wheel bearing grease. First night we ran the stuff, we actually wrecked the car as a result of the grease, because I didn't cover the brake pedal in hot laps. With a dirt late model, we don't run any air pressure, so when you let off the gas, the whole car just nosedives. Well, I didn't cover the brake pedal. We had a caution first lap of hot laps, so I just let off the gas like always. The car free rolled. We thought we had broke something in the transmission.
Really?
The car free rolled hard enough, I ran over the car in front of it.
Wow.
I can physically, with the car out of gear, push the car around the pits by myself.
Are you serious?
His wheel bearing grease is ridiculous.
Wow.
We ran their engine additive. We put 70 nights on a 604 crate motor. A lot of you guys know I won the crate nationals 4 times, and every year on Shane's stuff, of course. But when the motor finally detonated at about 85 nights, the engine builder took it apart, and the only reason it died, the radiator got knocked out of it and ran hot. He mic'd everything in it that didn't get hot. The bearings mic'd within brand new tolerance.
Really? Even after heating up to who knows how much,
80 some nights too.
Wow.
We ran the rear end additive, and I've always run Bulldog rear ends. They like to see them every 1,800 laps. We put about 3,200 laps before we could send it back. The guy who's no longer with him, Keith, calls me up. He's fixing to go to lunch. He said, "Hey man, I just pulled the bell off of your rear end. It's ruined. So I don't know what went wrong, but I'll call you later." He calls me up 2 days later. He goes, "All right, what was inside the rear end?" I said, "Why?" He said, "There was like this gold haze on everything, but I didn't replace any bearings, any races, none of your crush collars. Everything's like brand new." He said, "I charged you $125 to reassemble it and wash it. If that don't make you a believer, don't nothing."
Why did he think something was wrong at first? Was it the color?
The color. He was immediately
That's
assuming
what
that
did
something
it, huh?
had died. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Unbelievable. The grease runs cooler. We've run rear end temps. We've done it on the chassis dyno, the whole deal. Truly makes everything spin freer. Nothing is better than 2 hard polished surfaces. And with the Babbitt, the stuff that Shane's guys have got going on, I use it in my farm implements also.
Wow.
I have an offshore fishing boat. I haven't greased my gimbals in 2.5 years in salt water, and they're still running like brand new money. It's absolutely the best stuff. The biggest problem Shane White has, his stuff is too cheap. And you think that's a joke. His regular tube of grease is less than $20, and it is the best grease.
Why, what are others?
If you want to compare it to some stuff, $40 to $280.
So it's less expensive.
Way.
It works better.
By far.
And it makes things last longer.
And you get to deal with a really nice guy who actually cares about your racing program.
Okay, all right. All right, so Micro Armor, again, they were here at the show. Are you guys going to be at the show in the spring?
We're going to try.
Okay, they're going to try to get us here.
They're going to have some representation. I don't mind telling you, I've tried for how many years to buy the company?
A while.
Really? You've been wanting to buy it?
I would buy the racing division. If he told me he'd sell it right now,
you'd buy it.
Stop the interview, I'd go get the money.
All right.
Yes.
And then we'd start another interview with you as the new owner.
Absolutely.
How can they find Micro Armor online? Of course, you can go to Shane's interview we did yesterday. That's up, but Micro Armor, micro-armor.com.
Yep.
Again, guys, company from right somewhere around here, right?
An hour outside of Detroit.
Outside of Detroit. Hey, that's where all this stuff comes from. So
Motor City, baby.
It's good to see you again, and I appreciate you, putting your name on the line for this. So Micro Armor guy.
Incredible product, man.
If Brad likes it, tell me, and he's had good results with it. You guys should check it out too. Good to see you, man. I'm sorry we didn't get to spend a lot of time. Every time I looked for you, you were gone, and every time you looked for me, I was gone.
Yes, sir.
But I wouldn't have it any other way. It's fun, man.
Thanks,
Always
Doug.
nice to see you, man.
All right.